using Clairol color Sweet Cherry Dark Red. In the box we have the conditioner, the color activator, and that gives the color enhancing cream, and some gloves. My hair is unwashed and dirty, and I'm going to store it. Oh, I need to set the timer. So I set my timer. I'm giving myself 20 minutes to do this. Let's see. My hair is already in sections. So here it is. Making a mess. Doesn't show any color, it's just white. I don't know if it's gonna change color when it's on my hair. Ooh, important step. Some Vaseline on my Vaseline in here. Shit. Oh, I know who it is. Bear back. So I got the Vaseline for my hair. So I'm just gonna put a little bit around my edges and on my forehead so that when I put in the dye, it doesn't turn my edges red and my forehead red. So yeah, that's what the Vaseline is for. Okay, ready. So I didn't have any technique or anything for doing this. I just tried to get the ends of my hair saturated with the color because I mostly wanted the ends, not the roots, to be red. Don't keep it, make it really sweet. Just want to look a little color. I don't care. I don't know if it ends. At least that's how to do it first, but I don't really want my root to be red. No. Trick is I can't see shit because we're not wearing my glasses. These are old glasses, but I don't know how to get new one. So, yeah. The color, or it doesn't work. Okay, oh, it's just dye black. We're weak. So I'm not worried. And I've been dying to cut out my hair again, so this no work. Cut out the back side. This over to you didn't ask. outside, but I will do just that. This just might have been the step that messed everything up. I don't know. So after I finished putting in all the color, I set the time back to 20 minutes, and it's been 14 minutes now. Does that go on for me? I don't know if this is going to take or not. Because it did say it works for black hair, and it turns black hair to this color, so that color would be nice. So let's give it the full 20 minutes. As you can see, I did not get the edges and the roots. I don't want them to change color. I just want the ends to be red. Okay, so it's actually been over the 20-minute mark, and I'm going to wash out my hair now and see. I just don't feel like this actually color. I feel like when I wash it out, it will come right out. I look on it. It look like the color penetrate me here. Okay, I go wash right out. But we're going to see. Shit. We're going to see the color take. Okay. So I'm going to wash it out. And I'm going to use the thingy, if we can find it. Shoot, where's the conditioner? Yeah, I'm gonna look for the conditioner and then I'm gonna use it. Wash out my hair and then use the conditioner and then see how it look. So I'll be back with the results. If it's this color, I tell you now. I like this color. This color can go on. A waste of my time. Waste of my freaking time. With the color there. With the color there. My hair black just like I just say before I put it in. Not even a pinch of color. Not even a pinch. Not even a little pinch of color. The hair no take. So I don't know if it's because I put the shower cap over it I wasn't supposed to. I don't know what one. Maybe I need to put the shower cap on it, but I put the shower cap on it because I never want to nash up a whole place with the dye. So I put it over there so it not drip everywhere. But what is waste of time. My vex, my done. My upset. Bye bye. So yeah, that was an epic fail. I went out in the sun to see if there was even a little tint of color, but no, there wasn't. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and I will see you next time.